going out to the water.
Watch the baby go out to the water.
It's probably getting too warm.
There it goes.
Yeah, the little one.
I gotta get out there.
I like this guy.
He's not moving fast enough.
Narrate.
I'll come back to him.
Well, if that's the male muscle.
You just picture his voice, like he's so little.
What are these guys doing? So they throw the sand on themselves to keep cool. That's a good cycle cloud one right there. Happy birthday! Yeah.
You're so close now.
Super soft, like a bird.
The baby's going to the water because he's so hot.
Oh, there he is. Finally going.
Leaving his little tire.
Slowly but surely, he's getting tuckered out.
Conserving energy.